In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see volume in TradingView. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to refine your chart analysis skills, being able to visualize volume is a crucial aspect. It provides insight into the strength and significance of price movements, so incorporating this into your workflow can help you make better informed decisions. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.tradingview.com into the address bar, then hit enter. When the page loads, you'll be greeted by their user-friendly trading platform where we will conduct our volume analysis today. Once you've arrived at the TradingView homepage, it's time to open your chart. You can access this by logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for your watch list or favorite charts, or if you have a specific stock or asset in mind, go ahead and open that chart. The chart should load up, providing you with a visual layout of the asset's price action over the time frame you've selected. Next, we want to add an indicator to this chart. Look towards the top of your screen for a button labeled Indicators. Clicking this will bring up TradingView's library of indicators. This library is quite extensive, containing various tools to enhance your analysis, but right now, our focus is solely on volume. In the search bar that appears, type volume. This will filter the options down to those related to volume, saving you time scrolling through the massive list. Once you see the volume option, go ahead and click it. This step will add the volume indicator to your chart. With the volume indicator now visible at the bottom of your chart, there's just a little more to do to make sure it's as useful as possible. Look towards the volume indicator and find the three small dots next to it. Hover over these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional settings options. Click on this icon to open it up. From the list that appears, select Pin to Scale. This handy feature allows you to choose a specific scale which can help in clearly distinguishing volume changes. Picking the right scale will depend on your preference and the asset you're analyzing, so take a moment to consider which option works best for your current chart layout and analysis needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added and customized the volume indicator on TradingView. This will help you better understand market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to utilize these tools often as you refine your trading strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.